What is unique about the shield wall system is that we're able to take this outside healthcare construction. We're able to take this to more centrally located areas where they need occupied space and they need to keep their end users successful and open while they're doing their renovations. A typical wall, if they were to build this out of the drywall steel stud method, would have took about 2.5 weeks to do. We were able to do it in 2 days. Historically, they would have to tear down the entire wall and rebuild a new wall around that 170 feet perimeter, where we'll be able to keep our ends up, and it allows them complete flexibility and the ability to continue on with the project without having to slow down and stop completely. Because we are a vertically integrated company, we were able to have our engineers come on site for the initial walkthrough and come up with a brand new customizable bracketry system to allow us to anchor into the ceiling over that standard 10.5 feet or 10.3 feet that we typically go. This project's been exciting for me because it's our first local project, and really to give back to the Niagara region where the product's actually manufactured 20 minutes down the road. What was really unique about this one was the challenges of the 14.5 foot ceiling and working with our engineering staff to come up with new bracketry to make this product better in the long run. We were able to come on site and do a 90-foot wall in 2 days, saving them 2.5 weeks of downtime while they're building that wall, an interruption to their business.